Time for some AZ history. What did I learn today? Well, this isn't history, but I did learn how saguaros get their like really weird shaped arms sometimes. Well, first of all, saguaro even grows arms to increase their reproductive potential, because when you have one stem, it develops flowers, but then if you have another arm, there's no more flowers that can come out, which increases the chances that the saguaro can reproduce and continue its lineage. What I didn't know is that severe frost is what causes the arms to like be misshapen and bent and whatnot. Plants hate frosty weather, of course, especially cacti. And when a severe frost comes along that lasts multiple days, it can cause some of the arms to like mush, or even the top to like kind of go soggy. So like it'll freeze and then it'll reheat and then it'll like limp. But then it'll harden itself, because it's really hard to kill cactus, especially saguaro. So it'll reharden and then continue growing in a different way. So like it reaches this point where boom, the growth hits a ceiling almost, and then it reshapes itself. And it reminds me of CYLTE. That was my takeaway. As y'all know, saguaro is our logo, main logo. For CYLTE, I try to embody the values of a saguaro cactus. If you're growing something and you reach a point where, oh shoot, like you feel like you've reached a ceiling, that does not mean that it's time to quit. It means that it's time to redirect where it is that you're going. Maybe you're going in a way that can no longer allow you to grow in that direction anymore, and so now it's time to redirect yourself. But keep growing, never stop, like a saguaro cactus. Always reach to the sky, no matter what. If you can't reach for the sky, then go sideways.